Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to utilize labels and tags on Monday.com. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Monday.com web application, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, how can you create an account on Monday.com? Pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, go ahead and type Monday.com. That's going to take you to the official website for Monday. In there, check the top right corner and follow through the on-screen prompt to sign up or to sign in. Now, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Monday.com. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's tags, which is how to utilize labels and tags on Monday. From your homepage, head over to the top left corner of your screen, or let's say the left corner of your screen, and locate the project that you want to work on, or locate the board that you want to work on just right under your workspace. So let's say I'm just going to click on project board, and it's going to open up this board for me. So right here, if I want to use labels and tags, all I have to do is to click on the plus icon that is next to any group and click on the add column. And then from there, I can select tags or I can select labels. Let's go ahead and select tags. Now, once I do that, it's going to open up this tag column. So all I need to do is to click on this plus icon to add my tag. So let's say for this tag, I'm going to type in Green Dragon. Let's say there's a project I'm working on, and that's Green Dragon's gonna be my tag. So I'm just gonna click on create new tag, and that's gonna pop that way. Green Dragon. You can click on this plus icon again and add a new tag. So now if I want to delete this tag, all I need to do is to click on this plus icon, and I have deleted that tag. But as you can see, I have added this tag, and if I want to add a label, I can go ahead and click on the add column button, and all I need to do in the search bar is to type in label, and you see it's going to come up. So I'm going to click on that and follow through the same process to actually select my label or to create a new label. So I'm just going to click on that and click on, let's say, label 1, label 2. All right, and I can click on this edit labels and change this label to something else. Let's say dragon. And I click on apply. So that's the dragon label I'm going to make use of. So you can actually use these tags or these labels when you want to label an item, right, in a project, or you want to add tags to your project. So this is pretty much how you can get that done. This is how you can utilize labels and tags on Monday.com. You can go over this tutorial from bottom, or from top to bottom rather, to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.